Yo, you mean people that don't know says your boy Yaadman Etan. And before we get into this video, I have a very special announcement.
The biggest Afro-Caribbean festival to hit Atlantis finally arrived. If you love dancehall, Afrobeat, hip-hop, R&B, and soca, then get ready to experience Caribbean Fest, the ultimate international celebration with performances by Alkaline, Tiwa Savage, and Bungee Garland. It all takes place Saturday, September 29th at Central Park ATL. Did I mention you're your own bartender? That's right, it's a BYOB. Someone just got utter. This is guaranteed to be a sold-out event. Caribbean Fest. Log on to CaribbeanFest.com now for event details, artist lineup, and tickets.
I will be covering the very first annual Caribbean Fest. And as a special thank you from me to you, I will be doing a giveaway of 2 tickets per week. The instructions to this giveaway is at the very end of this video, so please stay tuned.
If you guys couldn't tell from the first clip of this video, I've been officially monetized on YouTube. Money me a look away you there.
Money me a look away you there. Money me a look away you there.
Money me a look. This has definitely been a blessing to me because I am now one step closer to living my dream. Because now I can make money for the foolishness that I post on the internet. But as great as it sounds, it never came easy. I'm going to be completely straightforward. I'm going to be so real and transparent with you guys right now. Being a social media personality is not easy. And there came with a lot of challenges.
So for those of you who've been keeping up with me, you would know that I attended Arden High School in Jamaica. And, well, I wasn't the most confident of people when I was in high school. I wasn't even the most popular type of people when I was in high school. In fact, I was the Yu-Gi-Oh card playing nerd that couldn't even answer a question in front of my classroom without shaking like a leaf. I always wanted to be a content creator. Who'd have thought that cracking jokes with my friends at lunchtime would evolve into what I wanted to do for a career?
And I know many of you guys probably going to think at me and laugh at me, think that I'm some kind of waste man. That I could be doing such great things with my life. I could probably be a doctor, lawyer, or politician. That I could probably make my parents proud in some other way. I don't have to be making a fool of myself on the internet. But guess what? This is what I choose to do. First of all, let me tell you about the requirements that YouTube asks for. YouTube wants 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 1 year. I started YouTube at the very end of February. And when I started YouTube, this was 2 years ago in 2016. And when I made this YouTube channel, I was not ready for YouTube. I know that. I felt as if I wasn't ready. I was very much green behind the camera. I didn't have the experience that I needed. I couldn't even edit the way how I edit. I used to edit on my phone. I told myself that I would come back to YouTube when I was ready. And I felt that I was ready at the end of February. And I am so glad I made that decision. I quit my job to focus on my craft, to learn more, to entertain you guys, and to create content that you guys would want to watch. To see how I quit my job, you can click the eye icon right here and check out that video. And most recently, I got kicked out of school because I was too broke. I couldn't afford it because they didn't want to give me financial aid. And you can check out that video right here as well. It's not easy. My advice to all the content creators out there who are also doing YouTube, follow your dream. Chase your dream. Run it down. Run down your dream and don't make nobody tell you anything. Because guess what? I've been told that I would come out to nothing in life. I've been told that I'm wasting my time by my own people. My own people. My fellow Jamaicans. Family. So-called friends. I was told that I would come out to nothing in life. And now I get paid to do this foolishness. Follow your dreams, yo, and don't make nobody tell you nothing. I want to be real with you guys. Say it way. My life is not easy right now, and just because I'm making money on YouTube now doesn't mean I'm making millions. The advice that I got from fellow content creators who already made it, you never know which video is going to do it for you. And right now, I want to continue to be an inspiration to you guys. To let you know that your dreams are not a waste of time. That you don't need to be a doctor, lawyer, or politician to be successful in life. And don't ever listen to people who are trying to tear you down. Thank you guys for the constant love and support. I love you guys. The support that I've gotten from you guys telling me how much I inspire you, how much I make you laugh. It means so much to me. Thank you, YouTube, for monetizing me in 3 weeks as opposed to 1 month. And well, yeah, that's my story. I've been told by family, so-called friends, and my fellow Jamaicans that I would never make it. And now I am just one step closer to making it in life. And it's all thanks to you guys who are watching.
Yo people them, I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching that video. Now, for the Caribbean Fest giveaway, all you guys have to do to enter this giveaway is to subscribe to me on YouTube at Yaadman Etan, like this video, and comment down below who you are most excited to see. So I expect you guys to comment Yaadman Etan, because you know that Yaadman Etan will be covering this event. So please make sure, you know, just give me some love, you know, just tell me you want to see me. I'm joking still, but anybody who you're excited to see, just comment down below and I will be selecting from the people in my YouTube comments. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here living my dream.
This is guaranteed to be a sold-out event. Caribbean Fest. Log on to CaribbeanFest.com now for event details, artist lineup, and tickets.